Oh, hi all, welcome. Beautiful hot day today. So I'm out here in the woods, found this. This is a pheasant feeder, I think, an old one. Used to feed the pheasants here, but that was many years ago. Nobody comes here anymore. It's the 1st of August today, so at the moment I'm setting myself little challenges here and there really, and this is my vegetarian month that I've decided to do. Nothing against meat, but I just wanted to eat more vegetables. Not in this meal though. We're going to have eggs, scrambled eggs, some corn sausages and some baked beans. Not too sure how I'm going to do it all, but we'll give it a go. Yeah, pretty hungry and I'm going to get cooking. For the scrambled eggs we'll put a bit of butter in, plus a little bit of milk. Just put this on to get that butter melted, but we're just going to watch that heat as well. We don't want to go overboard here. Best way to control the heat now will be to feed the wood through the bottom here instead of having the sticks upright. That's the eggs and the sausages done, so probably what I'll do, just put them there, and I want to get the beans on. In fact, I think the best way forward here now, we'll put these sausages on the grill so we get a little bit of that flame flavour. Put the eggs over there. Keep nice and warm and heat up the beans. Right, that's all ready. Just want to move that back a little bit. Oh, the beans are bubbling away, very nice. I love scrambled eggs. Very good. Okay, let's give it a go. That's actually pretty nice. Fantastic. I must do a review of this Firebox one day. I'm bound to say, you know, I love it. That won't come off. Right, you can't just pick it up and lift it off. But if you take your peg here, then it can come off. Right, so, yep, good. Little fire, cup of tea, breakfast. But absolutely lovely. You can't beat simple food. I think it's a bit dark here. I'm just going to finish up now. The Firebox is awesome. You know, I bought it with the accessories, so now I got that grill with it. Man, it just makes all the difference for cooking. I got the 2 British Army mess tins on there. I was able to cook this beautiful meal here. Surface area of those 2 tins is quite big as well. Scrambled eggs I love. These sausages are nice. Love baked beans. There's a bit of sauce there as well, really, that tomato sauce in there. Had my cup of tea. It's all good. Just have a little fire for a while and then I'm going to go. Thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you again. Cheers.